Alright, so let's get to the actual soaping process. Now, I've already weighed out all of my oils and melted them here. They're sitting at about 160 degrees. The reason I'm soaping so hot is because there is cocoa butter in this, and I do not want to get a false trace because cocoa butter has a high melting point. And then our lye water is measured out here. It is about 165 degrees, so between the lye and the oils there's less than 10 degrees difference, so we are good on that front. Let's turn off my hot plate. Alright, I'm going to do one more temperature check just to be sure, because the last thing you want is to screw up. So measure twice, mix once. Alright, and now actually our lye water is cooled to about 156. 158, and this has jumped to 172. See how much this can change in just a couple of seconds. So let's get this cooled down a little bit more. Alright, so I think they are good to go. I have also pre-measured out the turmeric here. I used 2 teaspoons per pound of soap. And here's our fragrance oil. It is from Nature's Garden, gingered bergamot. It smells quite lovely. And the lye water also has a little bit of fresh ginger juice in it, since this is a ginger and turmeric soap. Alright, so let's get this guy out of here. You're nice and mixed. Let's get our stick blender ready. Perfect. Put you in there. Alright, let's get this spoon that we used for the lye water out of the way. We will set it over here and then spray down in a second. Alright. Take the lye water and pour it over the shaft of the stick blender, just because we want to avoid bubbles. Alright, let's give this a good mix. I'm going to go ahead and throw the turmeric in there. I always like to throw in my botanicals early if it's something that I'm not too worried about it burning, because I want to make sure it's good incorporated. Turmeric can stain, so we don't want clumps at all in here. It's already turning a nice dark orange color. It's starting to thicken up, so we'll go ahead and throw in the fragrance oil. Oop, it's got some air bubbles. Nobody's perfect. Alright, well, you're getting thick, so we will go ahead and attach this guy over here. Oh, it smells delightful. And our mold, witch hazel and alcohol so it doesn't stick. Let's get this in here. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera, I will try my best not to. Oh, this is going to be lovely. I couldn't mix a more perfect batch if I tried as far as measurements go. This soap's definitely going to go through a gel phase, because I can feel the heat radiating off. Let's get that off the side there. Alright. A little bit. It's a little bit too much, but it's fine. Let's give you a good. have soap. Let's see.